I was cleaning my house this weekend and I realized that some of the things I clean with can be considered trash. These are things that normally go to the recycle or waste bin, but I'm able to squeeze a little bit of extra life out of them to clean my house and to save a bit of money. Did you know that in the recycling process, labels are often removed and discarded? They're either washed or burned off. Labels can be removed from containers and their sticky parts used to pick up hair and dust. You do have to know your label because some can leave a bit of a residue, but I found that it's most often safe. Why not try it? If you dab it on rugs and cloth type materials, it works really well to pick up little bits. And moving to the bathroom, it's great for a quick floor cleaner to pick up random hairs. I'm always losing hairs wherever I go. Many labels from your personal care products like shampoo bottles are similar to packaging tape and make great sticky wipes that don't leave residue. Just be sure to test on small areas before committing. But look at how well it cleans up all this dust and hair. And if you're worried that your bottle's recycling number is on the label, it's almost always etched on the container itself somewhere, so you don't have to worry about the container not being recyclable without the label. For this bottle, the number is hiding under the bottle's cap. So once you find that number, you can feel free to peel the label off for a quick cleaning session. And before you recycle your container, you can also use these to make custom funnels. I do this all the time, especially for pouring product from larger bulk bottles to smaller everyday use bottles. I just remove whatever cap from the bottle, either by twisting it off or using some heavy-duty gardening shears that I got from the dollar store. You can easily cut these by squeezing it near the middle and cutting through the 2 layers with your scissors to make that starter hole. Then cut your shape. And if you want to recycle it still, you can just leave a little bit attached so the bottle is still in one piece. Just be careful of sharp edges when you're using it. You can even cut it in a scoop-like shape, as shown here, for the next clean with trash tip. Whenever we have extra dirty clothes, I like to give them a good long soak in hot water, detergent, and OxiClean. For new dark clothes, we soak them in cold water and vinegar. Both of these soaking liquids are excellent for cleaning out your drains. When the soaking is done, I use my custom funnel and that water to flush out the overflow drain. It cleans out all the gunk that's in there, and it keeps our sink drain flowing really nicely. We haven't had weird smells coming from the drain ever since doing this. Cleaner clothes and cleaner drains. A double win. You're gonna think I'm weird, but this is my childhood. I'm your fairy godmother. I loved cleaning with these when I was a kid. My siblings and I would make cleaning wands from newspapers and other bits that normal people would just discard, and we just have at it running around our house pretending to be the cleaning fairy. Roll up your newspaper at one corner at a slight angle. Something around 45 degrees would work, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And you can easily combine papers to make your stick longer. It helps if the edges of the paper are aligned in parallel. And just keep going until you reach the opposite corner. At the last corner, you can seal it off with some tape, or if you have extra label, you can use a piece of that. Then you can use an old sock or old dryer sheet and a rubber band off of vegetables. This is one that came from some baby broccoli that I bought. Just wrap your sock or dryer sheet around the wand and use the rubber band to secure it onto the wand tightly. Now that you have your fairy godmother wand, you can use it to clean those abandoned spider webs in those really hard to reach places. It makes for really great quick work, and if you're sure the web didn't get on the newspaper, you can still recycle that part. Double wins. This is a toothpaste my son didn't like, so instead of forcing him to use something that he doesn't like or just discarding it, I use it to clean our toilets. And it works surprisingly well since it has baking soda, which acts as a gentle abrasive. I just squeeze a small dollop in there and wet the toilet brush and then scrub that toothpaste all around. The peppermint makes the room smell really minty fresh, and it's really great for those quick touch-ups in between more major cleans. I hope you liked some of these tips and can apply them to your cleaning regimen. Do you clean with trash too? I'd love to hear your tips on cleaning with things that would normally be discarded. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Happy cleaning!